Greetings! Welcome back to Pinkoddbird. Today what I'm here with is my video for the books that I made in the Pinkoddbird Paper Stack Challenge, and I was able to make a total of 7 Traveler's Notebook size books out of my paper. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through of these, and just like last time, there were 6 of them that I did last time. I was able to do 7 this time because I'd used a little bit different format than I did last time. So there's going to be 3 sets of 2 is what I should say. There'll be 3 sets of 2, and then I have 1 extra one, which this one is going to be for something else. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through these and show you guys what I've done. So let's go ahead and take a look. So again, just like with last time, there's going to be 2 that have matching covers, and the decoration on the covers are obviously going to be a little bit different. What I did was, because my paper stack didn't have a lot of images in it, I used a digital kit by Calico Collage called Serendipity, and I'm going to basically kind of incorporate that as part of my design team project for this month, and I have something else that I'm going to do for that as well. But there are some of those digital kit pages in each of these books. So a way to get images in your books if you don't have images on your paper and you want to incorporate some of that is you can break down these digital kits and use some of the actual pages and images and ephemera that come with the kits. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. So I'm just going to hold these up and let you take a look at the covers. A lot of you guys might have been able to either rewatch or join me on my journey while I created these and kind of showed you sort of what my process is for using at the paper stack. I have 0 paper left out of that stack, so yay! So this is what the cover looks like. I just did some simple collaging, and as you can see, I have some coordinating buttons on there. Thank you to everyone who did join in on those live streams. I appreciate it very much so. So that's one of the tags from the digital kit. And then I have just some other bits and pieces that I've added in, but you'll notice that pages that look kind of like this, that have images and stuff, those are going to be from the digital kit, just like this one. Okay, and then I have book pages in each of them. This one is a, well, Sleeping Beauty on this side. That's the other side. I just tuck those in there. This is one of the ephemera pieces from my paper stack. My paper stack came with 2 pages of ephemera, so obviously not enough to fill up all 7, so I dispersed those out as best I could. Lots of different paper styles that I used. Like I told you before, you can use you have to use the entire paper stack, but you can also use other ephemera pieces, other types of paper to round out your books. That's a tuck spot. Another one here. In this book I did do some stamping. There's some washi tape. So I'm just going to flip through quickly because they're mostly similar. They all have some kind of little sticker sheet in them. Trying to find a way to use those, so I was like, oh, these would be cute. So there, that's a double pocket. Some trim that I got from Miss Dolly. It's a big flip out there. And that trim matched perfectly. I have some Hermelinda tags in here. There's a big jar that comes with the kit. That's from the paper stack. So as you can see, lots of places to write and journal, and because we did use that whole paper stack, we have plenty of space to actually journal and put things. There's my stamp. Here's the other side of that kit page. Each of the books has 2 digital kit pages in it, so that's all dispersed out evenly. There's top tucks. They all have a pocket in the front and back covers, and that's it for this one. So I'll flip through quickly on the next one. There aren't many differences in these two, but I'll really just kind of point out what the differences are so you don't have to see me talk about the entire book. So that's this one. So the partner to that one is here. Thanks, Kim, for this. I just cut a strip off of some fabric that she sent me. There's the cover, as you can see, nice little collage with some buttons there. And I'm going to flip through much more quickly this time because, like I said, there aren't a lot of differences, but if you're interested in one of these, you might see something in one of these in particular that isn't in the other. I bet you probably can't even tell which pages are from the kit and which ones are from the paper stack because they match so perfectly. And Norella actually hopped on one of my lives and she was like, whoa, that does match perfectly. I was like, it does. Paper. The paper has gold foiling on it and it's beautiful. There's a few different sheets from the stack that had the gold foiling, so I used my washi that also had gold foiling. So these two are going to be the next partners that I will show you. So let's start with this one. Here's what the cover looks like. A couple little buttons here off to the side. It says wonderful, that came with the kit. I will link to Norella's shop if you would like to take a look and see what she has available. This kit will be in her shop. It is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, I will be coming back to do another video. When I do the prize video is when I will do another video for the design team. If you guys are doing this challenge along with me, leave a comment below and let me know what your status is like. How's your progress going? Are you almost done? There are a few of you who are already done, and there are a few people who also didn't join the challenge but have finished one or two sets of Traveler's Notebooks using paper stacks that they have. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, leave a comment below and let me know what your guys' status is. What are you doing? What are you up to? So there's a belly band here, and then I made it a double belly band. And that's this one. So these are all going to be available in my Etsy shop. I'll link to that in the description box below, of course. So here is the partner for that one. Just a little purple ribbon there. This one is a little different. On the cover, I made two little tags, and I just glued some flowers on top of those tags, and then tucked them right in here. So you can have the flowers kind of sticking over, or you can kind of tuck them in so they're a little hidden. It's up to you. Dance Like a Butterfly, that came from the kit. So we're almost, I kind of think we're almost at the halfway point for this challenge. So yeah, we're getting there. We're almost there. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, so these are going to be the last two in the trilogy, set trilogy. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one first. These have about 13 flat pages in them, 2 book pages, and then there's some smaller pages in here as well. Okay, and the final one. This is what the cover looks like. The word carefree and the butterfly, those come with the kit. And these don't have any sewing in them. Just trying to keep it kind of simple to show you the simplicity of getting your paper used up even if you don't have a sewing machine. So that is this one, and that is all I'm going to flip through for now. And those are the 6 that will be listed in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in any of these, be sure to check the description box below. And then as for this one, I will be back with a different video for this and for the other design team book that I'm going to make. And so I will be back to share that with you all. So again, if you guys are working on the challenge with me and you guys want to update and share your progress, just let me know down in the comments below. Let me know how it's going. Like I said, if you guys have already let me know that you're finished with the challenge, which is awesome, and I've made a note of that, and you have been entered in the giveaway for the final completion of this, which is in a little over 2 weeks from now. So again, I will continuously come and check in with you guys and see how you're doing, and I will also be uploading my other normal things in between there as well. Thank you guys all for all of the love and shout outs and all of the great things that you guys have been doing since the start of this challenge. I appreciate all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. That's gonna wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into, and until next time, toodaloo.